What'd you get, Lainey? Did you get Binkies from the Easter Bunny? And you want to eat the bunny. Happy Easter, Lainey. Happy Easter, Mackenzie.
Thank you.
What'd you get in your basket?
Let's see. I got...
Pull all the stuff out. Let's look.
Whoa.
I got bananas.
Open that up.
Okay. I am.
She's helping.
Can you help with that? Oh. What is it? Is that nail polish?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
It's your favorite?
Yeah.
Hi, Lainey. Hi, Lainey.
What else did you get?